Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to withdraw BNB from Bitmart to Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance coin into your Revolut account for easier management or spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Revolut. Log into your Bitmart account and head over to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets, including your BNB balance. Select BNB from your wallet to initiate a withdrawal. Next, you'll need to get your Revolut wallet address. Open the Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and add BNB if it's not already there. Revolut supports BNB on the BNB Smart Chain, so copy that address carefully. It's super important to get this right to avoid losing your funds. Back on Bitmart, paste the Revolut wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Bitmart might charge a small fee too, so check that beforehand. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and verify the transaction with any two-factor authentication you have set up. Now, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Revolut app for the deposit to show up. If it doesn't arrive, don't panic. Check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. A few tips to keep things smooth. Always use the correct network, BNB Smart Chain for Revolut. Double-check addresses to prevent errors, and never share your private keys. Crypto security is key. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Bitmart to Revolut in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there and happy trading.